Highway 3 is our location for this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leona, and for the next half an hour, it's all about music videos, interviews, and so much more. Follow us as we take you through the latest in lifestyle and entertainment right here in Jamaica. Pree Dis starts now. The location was the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel right here in Kingston. It was the eliminations for the Miss Jamaica World 2015 beauty pageant. Let's check out the highlights and see who made the final cut.
That's just the way it's supposed to be. I see the fire in the world, and I'm looking for some more time. Praying for the poor, my sisters and my brothers. Praying for the helpless that cannot take any longer. Praying for the good and the bad to move on now, boy. Where all the love has gone now, boy. Why can't we just move on now? We should.
I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remixing for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just set a goal, talking matching Lambos. At 56 a gram, 500 grams though. Man, I swear I love the hoe. I just wanna chill.
How was the process?
Very tedious, very nerve-wracking for the girls as well, and the judges were under pressure. We had a lovely turnout. Our mission this year, and it remains, is to improve in every possible way, and we're very happy and excited about the 20 girls. We're looking forward to working with them. We're looking forward to hosting Miss World here and having them see the best of what Jamaica has to offer. Well, we had 9 judges, and we also had the presence of PricewaterhouseCoopers, Jason Beek. We had Cindy Breakspear, Aston Cook. We had Richard Ferdinand, Robert Richards, Sophia Smith Butler, Sophia Max Brown, Daniel Crosskill, Lorianne Chin, Tommy James. I'm trying to remember all of them, but we had a great turnout, very supportive, dedicated team of judges. We're going to have a charity tea party in Kingston. We'll bring back the poolside here at the Jamaica Pegasus. We're going to have the girls in attire changing and full service competition on Mary Brown's Corner, Texaco, where the girls are going to be changing batteries and pumping gas and changing tires, because the whole objective of the Miss Jamaica World Beauty with a Purpose is to make these women more self-sufficient, more confident, more, capable. We're building the first model autistic classroom in the history of Jamaica, over $4 million in value, with a partnership of Herzog, Astrum, and Fusion Consulting. We're able to do that, and so the school will open soon. We're not going to stop until we have partnered with people for topsoil, rainbow awnings, Berger paints. We will not stop until that school is ready for children with mild, moderate, and severe autism to be there, and also for educators to go and learn from one-sided windows, and it's all wheelchair accessible, keeping special needs in mind. We have a host of things, and the competition is also not just geared towards a beauty pageant, but certainly towards the development of women, young women. So through Fusion Consulting, through University College of the Caribbean, not only will they get scholarships, but training in life skills. They will learn about money management, interview skills and techniques, resume writing, presentation skills, time management. So we're very excited about what we're able to bring to the young women as well.
True Juice Apple Juice is packed with lots of vitamins and minerals. Let's listen up to some health benefits of drinking True Juice Apple Juice.
Apple juice promotes a healthy lifestyle due to its power-packed disease-fighting vitamins. Here are 5 benefits of apple juice. Apple juice is beneficial for skin-related problems and hair. Apple juice is also linked with lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. It is essential for weight loss and good for your heart. Apple juice has flavonoids which are effective in preventing asthma attacks. Stock up on your True Juice Apple Juice today.
When we get back, it's all about our video premiere of the week, and we'll check out Double R's video launch.